everyone, and welcome to Creative Living. My name is Miranda and I make a ton of Dollar Tree projects, mostly home decor. So for this video I made a gorgeous candle runner and I used gold. So I don't use a lot of gold in my projects. I've had several people to ask me if I would use more gold, and so this is what I came up with. For this project, I started out using 2 of these long rectangle plastic plates from Dollar Tree. This is a new product from Dollar Tree in my store. So if you haven't seen this item yet, just keep your eyes open because I'm starting to see it more and more in the Dollar Trees in my area. So the first thing I've done was spray paint 2 of these plates solid white on the front and the back. And then I took a piece of poster board and cut it out in the shape of a rectangle to lay in the center of this plate because I wanted to add some gold trim on the front of these plates. When the white paint was completely dry, I went outside to add some gold paint to the backs of these plates, and then I flipped them over for the front side. What I do is take a piece of poster board that I cut out, and it may not be perfect, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay that here on the top of it. I used a couple of small containers that I'd gotten at Dollar Tree, and I just put some marbles in those to use as weight and set those directly on top of the poster board while I was spray painting, so I would have crisp, clear lines. All right, so time for the reveal. Yay, okay, it did good, all except for this edge down here, which I think I can fix. I picked up 8 angle brackets in the garden section of Dollar Tree, and I painted them gold as well. And I like the look of the gold, but I did want to add some bling. And I thought going around these loops would be kind of hard, but actually it was easy. So I just fed the diamond wrap along the bracket until I got to the end of the loop, and then I hot glued that together. Now you do want to make sure you just barely apply this hot glue because it'll make lumps on your metal. You could actually use a different glue if you wanted to, but this works fine as long as you kind of spread out the hot glue on the metal. When I was finished adding the diamond wrap to all 8 brackets, I was ready to put everything together. So I used 2 brackets for the front of my plates and 2 brackets for the back of my plates as individuals. So actually I had 4 in the front and 4 in the back because I had 2 plates. All right. So I lined up my brackets where this little L is it's like a little L shape, and it's on the back of these plates. So I lined that up to where the bracket and the L would meet together. Then I did add a little bit of hot glue on the top of the brackets as well to hold the plates down and secure it. Actually, when I went to move these, I was really surprised at how great the hot glue was holding this. But for a more permanent setup, I would absolutely use E6000, and also I would go ahead and add E6000 in the middle of the brackets and glue the brackets together. For the final touch, I added acrylic gems in my plate. Some are from Dollar Tree that I had gotten a while back, and some are from Michael's. Now, I did find some gems on Amazon at a great price, and I'll leave a link to my page if you want to check those out. But you could use marbles or rocks or even those glass gems from Dollar Tree if you wanted. A quote from Kristen Olsen Cattell, and hers says, "You are the choices you make." All right, y'all, so yeah, that was it, and this is like literally one of the easiest DIYs I've done, and it was just so easy to do. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until next time, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.